Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to fully restore deleted content from the desktop application Dropbox via the web application Dropbox using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, as well as content that we will be deleting or has been deleted for us to then restore. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Finder. Locate the Dropbox folder that all the content is stored in. And we are now looking to, let's just say, delete some content. Let's now use Command Shift and 3 to take a screenshot, which we will then move into the Dropbox folder via a drag and drop. This will be then synchronizing to our Dropbox for us to then access via the web. However, let's make this online only. Update anyway. Now what we will do is highlight all three. So the image, video, and the screen capture, and then Command Delete to completely remove the content away from Dropbox on the Mac computer. Online only files may not work if you restore them from your trash, so we can recommend restoring them from Dropbox.com instead. That's okay. You deleted video.mp4 and one other item from your Dropbox account on all devices. That's okay. Click on OK. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Also remove everything from the bin. Empty. That's fine. So now let's just say we want to restore this. We cannot do this from the desktop application as everything that has been deleted has now been permanently removed. However, let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Go to Dropbox. Click on this. Go to Dropbox.com. Go to account, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to account, go to my Dropbox. Let's now navigate to deleted files, and there we have it. Video and one more file and the screen capture. Let's now click on restore. 3 items, restore all files. And the files are being restored in real time as we speak and record the video. If we go to Finder, we can now see that these files are being restored in real time and have been restored, all files. There we go. We can now quit Safari. We can now highlight those 3 items and also make available offline, which then means that we don't always need to have the internet on for us to access the icon, the video, and the screen capture. So, Command key to remove and cancel out of everything. Command W, quit the video. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.